Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing, guys. A total of 6 hectares, but you can cut a portion of 2 hectares. So, pwede siya sa 2 ka hektarya. This is partition by heirs. So, heirs na ang nagbaligya and tax declaration. And very affordable, 500 pesos per square meter. Usual price diri, guys, ranging from 1,000 to 1,500 pesos per square meter. So if you can buy this property, this is really good. Then when you get this title, or you can convert into a title, you can sell this more price up, or makabaligya pa ka, mas pataas pa ang presyo, manibot pasabot na ko, guys. So this road is soon to be a concrete road, no, because this is a tourism road according to my guide. Tourism road na siya, guys. So again, the pricing in this location is ranging already from 1,000 to 1,500. Then right now, the owners are selling at 500 pesos per square meter. So nindot kay ni, guys, kung mabaligya na mapalit ni nato pohon, kay inig convert na to baligyaan niya, mahal na sad. So again, if you can have the funds, much better you can buy a portion of 2 hectares. Kaya pwede man sila mo baligya og 2 ka hektarya. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. This is near from Tagbilaran City, approximately 10 to 15 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City and airport.